Hi guys, welcome to a Halloween themed pumpkin nail art tutorial. In this tutorial I show you the stamping technique and the smush technique. So to begin with, I used the Primark's Peach nail polish. This was 90p. I apply this onto my nail as my base coat. I only apply a thin layer as I want the polish to dry quite quickly, ready for when I smush. And then with the Born Pretty Stores liquid latex, I apply it around the cuticle and my finger, just so when I smush and stamp, I have little cleanup to do. For the smush, I used the China Glaze Thistle Do Nicely, the Primark's Peach Polish, and Itsy Nails London No Fear. I used the Creative Shop Stampings hollow glassy stamper, and I apply each colour polish onto the stamper in sort of blobs. And then you just basically, as you would stamp, just smush it onto the nail. There is no way of doing this, it's just whatever effect you're looking for. And then with the Beauty Big Bangs XL019 and the Beauty Big Bangs Black Stamping Polish, I picked the pumpkin image and stamped this onto my nail. On a separate nail, I used the Itsy Nails London No Fear polish. Unfortunately, the Itsy Nails brand is no longer available, but it's a gorgeous colour and it's perfect for pumpkins and Halloween. So I applied 2 coats of this polish. And then I add a matte top coat, which is from Barry M Cosmetics. This is my go-to matte top coat, as I find it's really good. And then I apply a little pumpkin 3D charm, which is available from Charlie's Nail Art. There is a discount code. I then finish off the stamped nail with the Barry M's matte top coat. So if you like my design, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.